हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, यू आर वाचिंग SNS वर्ल्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। आप लोग कैसे हैं? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आई एम सत्यनारायण शाह। आई एम गोइंग टू टीच इंग्लिश ग्रामर। व्हाई वी स्टडी इंग्लिश ग्रामर? बिकॉज वी स्पीक correct English and it build confidence within us. You know the rules and regulations of language. Language is the tool of communication. Let us start. You celebrate your birthday every year. Everybody know date of birth, that time. So everybody related with time in our everyday life. Date of examination, date of admission, which century now we are living. We are living in 21st century. Year, month, week, day, like that. So time, what time is now? It is present. I am interacting with you now. Then what happened before? Past. And next, tomorrow onwards, that one, future. So we divide time into three categories: past, present, future. Present अभी जो हम कर रहे हैं, जो बीत गया है वो past tense. जो आ रहा है 20 साल का बाद तुम क्या करते होगे वो future tense. अगला साल कौन सा क्लास में जाओगे? फ्यूचर. Time and tense. Tense. Tense is what? The time of an action. The time of an action, work, or event. Tense. Swar. The time of an action, कौन सा टाइम में हुआ था, और वर्क्स, कितना काम हुआ था, कौन सा इवेंट किस समय पर हुआ था, वो टेंस का थ्रू से हम लोग पता करेंगे. टेंस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3: present, past, future. But in modern grammar they suggest two tense: present and past tense. We represent future time through present tense, but generally there are three tense: present, past, future. And each tense divided into 4 categories: simple or indefinite, continuous or progressive, perfect progressive. Each tense divided into simple or indefinite, continuous or progressive, perfect progressive. Like that, past also simple or indefinite, continuous or progressive, perfect progressive. Future, same. Each tense divided into 4 categories. That things now you understood. At first you remember the structure, then we go in detail. Present, simple present. Simple present, here structure is subject plus verb 1. Subject I, we, he, I go. We go, but he goes. So verb 1 S or es. It is the formula. And when we use simple present tense, कब हम simple present tense use करेंगे? जिस तरह habit में simple present tense use होता है. जैसे your daily life, I get up in the morning. I get up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I go to school. You can write a number of sentences. If you write essay, your daily life, there you use what? Simple present tense. Habit. General truth. General truth. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The earth moves around the sun. General truth. And in drama, when we create it realistic, at that time we use simple present tense. Basically in cricket commentaries, they are using simple present. Simple present tense show habit, general truth, universal truth, like that pattern of sentence. Then we go about progressive or continuous. Present continuous. Its structure is subject, am, is, are plus verb 1 ing form. I am going. Now what am I doing? I am writing on the whiteboard. I am teaching. When the work is going on, at that time we use present continuous tense. Present continuous tense shows that the work is going on. Now what are you doing? You are interacting with me. That things. Then perfect. Perfect, which work finished, जो काम हो गया है. जैसे I have done my homework. हम हमारा होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं. उस सेंटेंस में हम क्या करेंगे? परफेक्ट. परफेक्ट का फॉर्मूला क्या? सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज और हैव भाग 3 थर्ड फॉर्म. थर्ड फॉर्म व्हाट? लाइक गो, वेंट, गॉन. It is verb first form, second form, third form. Here, third form. I have done my homework. Then, perfect progressive. Perfect progressive means the work started before, now it also going on. Perfect progressive. Perfect progressive I have been living here for 5 years. That means before I lived and now also I am living. Perfect. This one, subject has, have, been, verb 1, ing. These are the uses of present tense. I hope you understood. तो अभी आप कितना समझ चुके हो? टेस्ट किया जाए. Some question I am giving to you. First one, write second form of the following verbs. Following verbs. Second form जैसे go का second form went, like that. Write, lend, borrow, fly, throw. Identify which tense. Identify which tense. I work in a factory. I am teaching now. The gardener is watering the plants. She is going to temple. He has finished his homework. Next, I will discuss the answer of these questions in next video. Like, share and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information. Thank you.